How does experimental archaeology uncover ancient tool secrets? Imagine holding a stone tool that was used thousands of years ago. How did ancient people make it? How did they figure out which stones to pick? Experimental archaeology helps answer these questions. It's like a time machine that lets us test ideas about the past by recreating ancient tools ourselves. Scientists and archaeologists use real materials like flint, chert, or obsidian to make tools just like ancient craftsmen did. They use stones or bones to strike and shape raw materials, a process called flint-knapping. This helps us see how long it took to produce a tool and what skills were needed. For example, shaping a flint core into a sharp arrowhead might take an hour or more, depending on the complexity. Once the tools are made, they are tested in real-life tasks. Archaeologists might cut animal hides, scrape wood, or hunt with the recreated tools. This shows how effective the tools were and what kind of wear marks they left behind. These marks help us interpret similar damage on actual archaeological finds. If a stone shows certain types of chips or fractures, we can guess it was used for cutting or scraping. Experimental archaeology also reveals how ancient tools were attached to handles or shafts. For example, archaeologists might glue a stone blade to a wooden spear shaft using natural adhesives like pine pitch or animal glue. Testing these adhesives shows how durable they were and how they helped in hunting or woodworking. Another part of this work involves studying residues like pigments or adhesives on old tools. By mixing natural ingredients like ochre with beeswax or tree sap, researchers learn how ancient people created their own glues and paints. These experiments help us understand the technological skills and environmental knowledge of early humans. Making replicas also helps us see the time and effort involved. If a tool takes many hours or requires special skills, it tells us about the importance of that tool in daily life. It shows us what resources were needed and how much labor was invested. From a cultural point of view, experimental archaeology shows us how ancient societies shared knowledge. Making tools in the same way they did helps us understand their skills, traditions, and innovations. It's like stepping into their shoes for a moment. In the end, this hands-on approach helps us interpret the archaeological record more accurately. It confirms or challenges ideas about how tools were made and used. It also gives us a clearer picture of human ingenuity and adaptation over thousands of years. By recreating and testing these tools, archaeologists unlock secrets that are hidden in stone and bone, revealing the story of human technology.